Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very healthy, crispy and tasty Mathri recipe with a secret healthy ingredient. A perfect healthy snack for children. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make Mathri, I'm grinding 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. So I have ground the black peppercorns and it will come to around 1.5 teaspoon. Into a large bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of Khapli wheat flour. Now Khapli wheat flour is an ancient wheat grain which has very less gluten when compared to modern wheat. So these days I prefer to use the ancient variety of wheat known as Khapli wheat. Now if you don't have Khapli wheat flour, you can use ordinary whole wheat flour. Khapli wheat is also high in fiber and it also helps to balance blood sugar levels. I've already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of Khapli wheat. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video. Into this I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of besan flour, also known as chickpea flour, the freshly ground black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, or as needed, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Now to absorb turmeric faster into your body, use a pinch of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon ajwain. I'm just crushing and adding it so that the flavors are released. 1/2 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Now to make this Mathri more nutrient dense, I'm adding in 1 heaped teaspoon of moringa powder. The buying links to this organic moringa powder will be in the description box below. I have already shared many videos on moringa and its health benefits. Please do check them out, and I have also updated the recipes in a playlist titled Moringa Recipes. So do check them out to understand more about the health benefits of moringa and why you should be using it in your diet. Now give this all a mix. Add in 1 tablespoon desi ghee. Now these days I am using A2 desi ghee. Mix this well with your hand. Now you need to make this into a coarse sand-like mix. So just rub it like this when you are mixing. So this way the wheat flour will absorb the desi ghee. So just do as I am showing in the video. And add in water little by little. Give it a mix. Make sure that you are adding water little by little. So I used about 1/4 cup of water. Mix it really well. Add a little bit of desi ghee, about 1/2 teaspoon, and knead the dough. Okay, now the dough is ready. I'm going to cover it and allow it to rest for about 5 minutes. So it's about 5 minutes now. I'm going to knead it once more. And I'm going to make small rotis with this. So I've pinched off a lemon-sized dough and I'm rolling it. Sprinkle in a little bit of Khapli wheat flour. And roll it into round. You'll be getting a total of 7 rotis including the rolled out roti. So I'm rolling out the other rotis also in the same way. Make sure that the rotis are of equal size. So I have rolled out 7 rotis and now let's layer them. So I have melted 1.5 tablespoon of A2 desi ghee, and I'm just brushing the ghee over the roti. Sprinkling in a fat pinch of Khapli wheat flour. Place another roti on top. Brush it with desi ghee. This is a very filling and healthy snack for children. So if your children are living in hostel, you can make this and send this with them. This will make a very filling and healthy snack. This way you can make sure that your children will not snack on store-bought unhealthy processed snacks like biscuits or cookies. Store-bought snacks has a lot of preservatives, additives, food colors, added flavorings and whatnot. So it's always ideal to make snacks at home for your children. Like I mentioned before, you can also make this with ordinary whole wheat roti. But since I started using Khapli wheat in my diet, especially in my children's diet, I've noticed a big difference in their digestive issues. And now I'm going to roll this again. And again I'm brushing desi ghee on top, Khapli wheat flour, and I'm just rolling it like this. Just flatten it like this and brush desi ghee on top. Again sprinkle in a little bit of Khapli wheat flour and roll it like this. Again flatten it and make it into a rectangle like this. And now I'm just sprinkling in a little bit of Khapli wheat flour and I'm rolling it into lengthwise. So I have rolled it into a slightly thick dough and now I'm slicing them into small pieces. So I'm using my pizza cutter to slice them. So first I am slicing into half and then I am slicing into small strips like this. So I have sliced into small strips. So now the oil is getting heated and I am adding in the Mathri strips. Now reduce the flame to the lowest and let it fry on low flame. In between, keep stirring. You can already see the layers being formed, and make sure you stir it on and off so that all the sides are nicely cooked. So once the Mathri is removed from the oil, sprinkle in some chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, a fat pinch of pink Himalayan salt, and just toast the Mathri in the masala. Once the Mathri has cooled down, transfer to an airtight glass container and it will stay good for up to a month or even longer. So guys, do try this healthy Mathri recipe and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.